Good morning, girls. So last week, do you remember we were working on fractions and what fractions are, how we work with fractions? Who can tell me? Shannon?
It has a top number and a bottom number.
Very, very nice.
Separated by a line.
Good. And who can tell me what we remember when you have the same bottom number, denominators? Can we add them?
Yes.
Yes. Okay, they're a little bit more trickier, but I don't want you guys to panic because percentages, that's what we're working with today. Percentages are the same as fractions, just if you times it by 100. So if we say we have 25 over 50 times by 100, that would give us a percent. Okay? So I'm going to give you girls each a packet of M&Ms, and you're going to work in your group. So the first row is going to work in a group, and the second row is going to work in a group. Each packet has 50 M&Ms in, and you have to separate them into their different color groups for me, okay? Now that you've split them up into their different color groups, I want you to write down how many M&Ms of that color you have. But are we just going to put the one number, or what are we going to put it over?
The
total number.
So how many do you guys have in your packets in total?
50.
And you girls? 50. So whatever your answer is going to be, it's going to be over 50. Okay, if you go right down, please.
I have 12 over 50 M&Ms.
Okay, so girls, now that we've split the M&Ms up into their different color groups and we've divided them and you've written down how many color groups are in each color, now we're going to work it out together. So you have to tell me, group 1, you're going to tell me how many M&Ms you had in the red group, and group 2, then you're going to give me your answer. And we're going to do that for every color, okay? So group 1, how many red M&Ms did you have? 5. And group 2?
12.
Okay, how much is that?
17.
17, okay. And how many did we have in total? We had 50. And group 2?
We had 150.
So if we add 50 and 50?
100.
100, okay. So now if we put this over 100, and now we want to make it a percentage, okay? Because 100 is percent, so that would equal 17%. Do you girls understand? Okay, so now girls, you're going to tell me for the yellow ones. How many yellow ones did we have?
We had 6.
So yellow, you had 6 in group 2.
7.
6 plus 7, and what does that equal to?
13.
13, good job. Okay, and now we had 13 out of how many were in total?
100.
100, okay, good. So we put it over 100, and that is equal to how much percent, girls?
13%.
Lovely, okay. And then we have, what other colors, what other colors come next? Green. Girls, how many green ones did you have? Group 1?
12.
And group 2?
9.
So let's do it together. 12 plus 9 is?
21.
21. And how much percent would that be? Without us doing all the steps, how much percent would that be?
21%.
Very nice. Who can tell me why it would be 21%?
Because it's 21 over 100.
Because 100 is your total altogether. Okay. Now, girls, we are going to solve some problems together, percentage problems, okay? Now we're going to do adding of our percentages, okay? So group 1, I want you to add your yellow ones and your brown ones together. And group 2, I want you to add your green and your red ones together. Then tell me how many you have in total.
I have 10 brown.
10 brown and 6 yellow. So how much is that together? Good, group 1. And then group 2, how many? 21 in total. Okay. And then who can tell me how much that is? So should we do it together?
Yes.
Okay, so let's say 16 plus 21. 6 plus 1 is? 7. And 1 plus 2 is? 3. Good job, girls. So then, if we have 37 and the total is 100, what would our percent be? 37%. Awesome. Nice. Now that we've done the basics of percent, I'm going to make it a little bit trickier for you, okay? So while you enjoy eating your M&Ms, we're going to work through this sum together, okay? So it is 65% of 19. What does of mean? What is it asking us to do?
Teacher, isn't it times?
Times. Good, Shannon, okay? So this is asking us to times. So we are going to say 65% times by 19, okay? So for the time being, I want you to forget about the percent sign. So we're going to say 65 times 19. So we're going to write it down in our columns, 65 times 19, okay? Who can tell me what 9 times 5 is? Leonie?
45.
45. So remember we put the 5 here and we carry our 4 to our neighbor. Then we have to times this way. So 9 times 6 is 54, okay? And don't forget we have to plus our 4. So what would that be? 54 plus 4? 58. So we put the H here and we carry the 5 there, okay? Now we've worked with the 9 already. So we put the 0 under our 5. So 1 times 5 is? 5. Okay? And then 1 times 6? 6. Now we have to add or minus? Add. Okay, so 5 plus 0 is? 5. And then 8 plus 5?
13.
Where do I put my 1?
You carry over.
Carry over. Okay? So then 6 plus 5?
11.
Plus the 1? 12. Okay, so who can read out this very big number for me? Shannon?
1,235.
Lovely, okay. But now we're going to come back to what it's asking us. 65% of 19. Is this a percent? No. So watch what we have to do now, okay? Now, because percent is it 100 or 50? 100. 100. So how many zeros are in 100? 2 zeros, okay? So your comma would be here, okay? So how many places would we move it? That way. 2. How come 2 places? Zeros. So we go 1, 2, and we put our comma there. Therefore, the answer will be 12,35. Now, girls, now that we've worked through the first one together, I want to see if you can work through this one by yourself. I will walk around and help you, but I really want you to try and do this all by yourself, okay? Girls, Taylor's going to show you how she got to her answer. Okay? Now, pay attention carefully. Remember what Ava's asking us? There we go. Good girl, Taylor. And then what's our next step? There we go. So what are we going to do first? Times. What are we timesing first? Which one? 4 times by?
3.
Good. Carry it. Why are you putting your 0?
Because I'm done with that one.
Okay, but remember, because now we finished doing the units, we move on to the 10. So we have to put a 0 in the units place. Who else got that answer?
Me.
Awesome, girls. Okay. And now, Taylor, tell us what we're going to do.
Yeah, I have to move the decimal
Why do we have to move it?
because it's a percent.
Good. It's asking us the percentage. So how many places?
2.
2. Good, girl. And then what's our final answer going to be? Lovely. Can we all give Taylor a round of applause? Okay, my girls. Now there's 3 and 4 on the board, and I want you to solve it all by yourself. To get the answers all by yourself, who can tell me their answer for number 3? Shannon, can you tell me?
I've got 14 14,43.
14,43.
Yes, for number 3.
For number 3, okay, good. And then you can tell me what they got for number 4. Leonie?
I got 56,44.
Lovely, okay. So girls, who can tell me what we learned today in this lesson? How to add percentages, okay?
That a percentage is always over 100.
Very, very nice, girls. Okay, if anyone got any different answer, come to my desk and I'll help you. We'll go through the steps step by step to fix it.
Yes.